To make this rich, creamy hot chocolate, heat 2 cups of milk in a saucepan. To this, add a small piece of cinnamon and 2 sugar cubes or 2 teaspoons of sugar. Whisk this and let it heat for a few seconds. Then add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa to the milk while the flame is on a low. Keep whisking to avoid the formation of lumps. If the milk boils, reduce the flame and continue stirring. Now add 1/4 cup of dark chocolate that is grated or cut into small pieces. Keep stirring. Once the chocolate has dissolved in the milk, add ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir. This is optional. Now wait for the milk to boil and then turn off the flame. Your hot chocolate is now ready to be served. Pour into serving cups. You can garnish your drink with grated chocolate, cocoa powder, cream, etc. This is optional. Serve hot and enjoy!